Hello dear student, today I'm going to describe about another video about hyperlink. Here this is the main page where the three headings are famous books and authors, movies of western country, movies based on epic literature, and then I have given some pictures of the school, and after that two hyperlinking sentences are there. Click here for details of famous books and authors. Click here for row span and call span attribute effect. So if you click here, you can see the famous books and authors details here within the table with some uh, headings. And if you go to the another hyperlink, you can see that the another web page where I have shown the effect of row span attribute in the first table at left hand side, and at right hand side I have shown the effect of the call span of table in the right hand side table. So this is the main web page. Now I'm going to tell you how I made the web page. Before making the web page, I made the first hyperlinked web page, that is the name of the web page is this table program video 6.html. This is the name of the web page file, and the title of the web page is www.wikipedia.com. The headings of this web page is Hollywood movies, famous books and authors, table with call span attribute, and then the table name is there, books and author details of western countries, then books and authors, first row. Second row, in the second row the call span attribute is used. The second row spans up to two columns, then another two rows containing data, then again one row spanning up to two columns, that is mystery, and then another two rows containing data. So like this table contains the effect of call span attribute within a table. And then if you get back to the main web page and we are clicking on the second hyperlink sentence, we will get the second hyperlinked web page where again some headings are there like section wise marks, Hollywood movies, famous books and authors, and row span and call span. This is the attribute effect that is displayed here. At the left hand side you can see the section wise marks are distributed, where row this role this in the first row this heading is spanning up to two rows. That means this is the row span attribute described in this first table at the left hand side. And you can see at the right hand side in this table the previous table of the previous linked web page was displayed. So here also in the second table at the right hand side the call span attribute is described within the second row and the fifth row, where fiction and mystery is written, where the cells are spanning up to two columns. So this is the second web page we have made, and the name of the second web page is table program video 7. This is the name of the second web page file, and the name or title of the web page is wikipedia.com. So before creating and making this main web page, I created this first linked web page, and I created the second link web page. Now I'm going to tell you how to create this main web page, as it is connected with the literature. So I kept some and literatures are taught by the school teachers, and literatures are read by the students. So I kept some school and student pictures here, because there is a strong relationship between the literature and the student. So now I'm going to tell you how I have created this web page. So first of all, I'm going to the code of this web page. The web page is started with the HTML tag. After that the head tag is opened. After the title tag is opened, and I have given the title www.booksandauthors.com. This is the title of the web page that is completed with the ending title tag. Then I have used here the three headings of the web page. The first heading size is H1, and center tag is used, and the U tag or underline tag is used, and the bold tag is used. And famous books and authors, this sentence is this heading is there in the web page, the first heading with the h1 heading size, that means the biggest heading size. Then the first heading is completed with the ending b tag, ending u tag, ending center tag and ending h1 tag, and this first heading will be reflected at the center of the web page with the bold letters, and underline will be there, and it will be the largest heading size. And then the same heading structure is used for the second and the third heading, but in the second heading we have used the h2 heading size, and the third heading we have used h3 heading size. So the second and third heading will also be reflected at the center of the web page, and bold letters will be there, underline will be there, but second heading will be smaller than the first heading, and the third heading will be smaller than the second heading. Now we are coming into the body part. In the body we are completing the head part by giving the ending head tag. Now we are coming to the body part. In the body part, the picture 6 is set as the background of the body. So if you see that the three headings are coming: famous books and authors, movies of western countries, and movies based on the epic pictures. Okay, and you can see this, that the picture 6 is coming as the background. So now I'm going to the main code. Here one image tag I have used. I have written img src equal to school1.jpg, width equal to 230 and height equal to 180 and border equal to 5. That means one image tag with the src or source attribute is used to add the school picture, jpeg picture, with the width 230 and height 230, and border will be there 5 pixel size border. So the same type of image tag I have used 5 times to add 5 pictures. After that, one horizontal line is given by hr tag. After that, the first hyperlink is created by the anchor tag or a tag. Here I have written a ref, that means anchor tag means a tag, then ref means hyperlink reference, and then I have given the name of the web page file to which the first hyperlink will be made: table program video6.html, and the hyperlinking sentence is click here for details of famous books and authors. And then the hyperlinking sentence is completed with ending a tag, ending center tag, ending b tag and ending font tag. And if you click on this first hyperlink hyperlink sentence, then we will get this first table program video 6 web page. And the second hyperlink is also made as the same way. Anchor tag or a tag is used, href, that means hyperlink reference attribute, is used within the a tag, and then the second web page file name is given table program video7.html, and then the second hyperlink sentence is given click here for row span and col span attribute effect, and then the second hyperlink sentence is completed with the ending a tag or anchor tag, ending center tag, ending b tag and ending font tag. That means 2 hyperlink sentences are made with the help of anchor tag and ref attribute within the anchor tag, and these 2 hyperlink sentences will be in black color, that is given within the font tag, and the size of the letter will be 5. So let's run this program, and if we run this program we will get this. You can see that here the after the 5 images added, one horizontal line is coming, then the first hyperlink sentence is there: click here for details of famous books and authors. If you click here, you will go to the first hyperlinked web page, and there you can see the famous books and authors details. And if you get back, you will get back to the main web page, and you click in the second hyperlinking sentences, click here for row span and col span, you will move to the web page, and this web page will show you 2 tables. The left hand table will show you the effect of the row span by the role cell. This data cell, this heading cell is spanning up to 2 rows, row span attribute, and at the right hand side table you can see fiction and mystery. This row is spanning up to 2 column, col span attribute. So this is the thing. Again we can get back, and again we can go to the linking words, linking web pages, and we can get back to the main web page. So thank you, student.